ready.
Okay, he's ready.
Yeah. Okay, so, gentlemen, it's my pleasure to present our NIDER company and some history about low voltage industry for you. And first, let's see. It's about issues about market. We can see this is a global market. Yeah. As we can see, the global market for low voltage market is about $70 billion. $70 billion in the whole world. And this is a segment for the level of that market. As you can see, S1 is the top class. For example, three famous brands in the world: Siemens, ABB, Schneider. And this S2 is some low level products in the market. And this we can see 50% share is about the low quality, but in some not very sensitive usage. We NIDER as this S1 level, we have some market share. Also S2 we have some share, but in S3 that's low level. We don't have any market share, and also that is not our purpose. So this is our history. NIDER's history we have. Maybe you need some. Yeah. Okay. This is our history from three sections. First one from 1999 is our starting to go into the LV, I mean the low voltage market. We start with telecom industry and we cooperate with Huawei, ZTE, those very famous company in China in professional in telecom. Then in the 2006 we start to go into the real estate company, like some very huge building, and that market in China grows very rapidly. And the third section, we published our company in the stock exchange market, and this is officially open in the market from 2011 to right now.
Excuse me. Do you need to translate the introduced your colleague?
Yes, он перевести?
Что он говорит?
Да, непонятно.
Пока понятно.
Do you need to translate?
No.
We are go fast, right?
No. Everything is fine. You can continue.
This you can see is a growth about 30% each year 30%. As we know, in the global market, the low voltage market is not good. It's going down like this. Every year it's going down, but neither 30% each year, and it means that our products, our quality, our brand is get famous yearly. Yeah, and our market share grows very rapidly. Yes, this is some reward we get from our customer, like Huawei, the best supplier in the 2016, also 2017 this year, and also from Eaton, from GE company. These all famous, we cooperate each other. And this is our strategy and value, also mission. We are focused on the low voltage products and in the high-end market. I mean the S1, S2, not in the low level. Yeah. This is our test lab. We get 3C, TUV, and CE certificate. Also, we get UL, RoHS, and CRCC certificates for our products. And this is our laboratory. We are the number 2 class in China that we get CNAS standard, also UL standard for our laboratory, for test our products. Also, some other company, they produce some new series they want to test from NIDER. We give them some examinations, something like that, also qualified. Yeah. And you can see this is our R&D department. we invest 6% each year to our technology, to our founding in our research, technology research. And we have LPD system. We covered with IBI. They give out this kind of solution for doing our product solution. I mean the research. And this is our quality management system. Our system from SGS, yeah, such as ISO, this kind of standards. Also we get BSI from UK. This is also our management system, such as QHSA, QCSA, yeah. This is our production manufacturing line. We get 100 kind of Panasonic welding machine that is very technologized, yes. And also we will get full digital automatic production line in the end of this year from Italy, yeah, especially for MCB producing, yeah. Next, I will show you our products. As you can see, our products first from ACB. ACB is big one, it's continue to 6,300 amperes, and also MCCB to 4,000 amperes. Also our MCBs, MCB RCBO, and our contactors. This 4 series is our product family, yeah. And also it's cover full of range of different industry, from telecom, real estate, and also some buildings, yeah.
Yeah. I will introduce where can use our products.
Yeah, this is our
Next is
usage system. First from the generation system, the power generation, yes. Then to transmission, yeah. If you get the power, then transmission, yes. And distribution for some lines like that, yeah. Also real estate and also industry control, such as elevator, such as the air conditioner, so yeah, something like that. And this is our MCB series. We have MCB, RCBO, DSL, SPD, and RG, yeah, different. We got three generations from NDM1, NDB1, and B2, B6. Like this, M1, B2, B6. This is our 3 generations, yeah. And this is B3 and B5. It's especially used in telecom and railway station, because the utility environment is so wide from negative 40 degrees to up to 85 degrees, yeah. And it's very sensitive to get the signal and to break by the load. This is our MCCB. We have NDM2, NDM3, and NDM5. It's especially used in the renewable energy, such as wind power and PV power, yeah. This is our ACB. It's used very wide, also different industries, and it have the capacity of break-in is up to 150 kiloamperes. This is our motor control and protection products, like relay, and motor protection. Yeah. Also, this is our disconnector. Yes, NDG 1, 2, 3 generations disconnector. This disconnector without any capacity of breaking capacity. And this is our also disconnector, CB type. Is used in firefighter, something like that, yeah, and also some hospital. This is our products cover the whole industry in different range. It's very wide. And this is renewable energy industry. We cooperate with Huawei, Sungrow, TBA, and for the wind power we cooperate with Vestas, Goldwind, and Emerson. They are all famous company for the wind power. And as you know, right now in the over the world, the energy is very is very tight, and so the new power gets popular each year. Yes, so it will be a big market. And this is our building and factory utility. We have copied. We use it for different, the landmark in China, also in the world. Yeah. We cooperate with Vanco, Longhu, Sifi, this kind of famous real estate company in China. And this is telecom. We have 3 telecom companies in China, very biggest, like China Mobile, China Telecom, and China Unicom. These 3 operating companies. Also, we cooperate with some equipment companies like Huawei, Emerson, ZTE, Arcat, Eaton, and Delta. It's all equipment supplier of telecom industry. We have more than 10 years cooperation. This is our usage in the communications industry, like IDC, yes, IDC, and some cabinet in the IDC. Also, this one same is in some communication system. This is industry control. Is especially for the contactor. Contactor is very widely used in the heavy industry control. Like we covered with ZPMC, Sany, and some elevator companies like Koni, Hitachi, and Mitsubishi. Yes. This is our achievement. First, this is 2008 Olympic Games in China, and this is National Stadium. We use our products in this stadium, and this is Tibet Railway. It's about the altitude is about 3,000 meters high. Yes, this is also a very famous sports center in China, in Shanghai, and also use our products. This is 2 famous IDC for China Mobile in China. It's very big in China. 2 cities full of products is from Nether. And this one also is a PV power station. Its altitude also 3 kilometers high, and the environment is very rough in that. Sometimes it's very cold, sometimes very hot, and very the humidity, also the dusty, yes, environment. So this is our service wire. In China, we have more than 87 networks office in the different province, and also in the worldwide, we right now have 4 branches. Like we have Europe office in Stockholm in Sweden. Also, we have office in Colombo in North America, and we have office in Jakarta in Indonesia. Also, we start a new office in India. Yes, this is 4 subsidiaries for our companies in the overseas. That's all. This is our company's profile, and welcome to start cooperation each other. And we hope in the future we are looking for a brightly future with systems. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Do we have some questions about our company?